Welcome to grammar lesson number 5. Still contractions and still apostrophes. The apostrophes take the place of the missing letters, but we've learned so many different kinds of contractions this week. It is getting a little bit tricky. For this assignment, if you're not sure which one the contraction is, I want you to go back and look at your work in the rest of the packet. Look at the words that they gave you, because those words are being used again today on page 98. So we're going to go through those sentences, but you have to find the contraction, but they didn't put any apostrophes or anything in there to give you clues. You have to circle it, and then you have to write it correctly on the line. The writing it correctly on the line part is the part where you may want to go back in your grammar packet and look at other worksheets and see if you can find it correctly if you're not sure. So number 1, walking through the snow isn't easy. That's a not contraction. Isn't is not. Number 2, there's a big storm coming. There is. There's. We couldn't see across the street during the last storm. Couldn't. Could not. Mom wouldn't let us go out in the storm. Would not. Wouldn't. We've got a lot of not contractions, so you remember your apostrophe goes where the O is taken out. She'd tell us to wait until the storm ended. She would tell us to wait. She'd. That's the one where you're missing all those letters. So she, apostrophe D. I haven't seen a storm like that in many years. Haven't. Have not. We don't want another one to come. Do not. We do not want another storm. And number 8, we aren't ready for such cold weather. We are not ready. We aren't ready. Okay, remember, if you're not sure where the apostrophes go, and these should be all lowercase letters, look back in the packet and find the words written correctly.